Okay. So the IP addresses which you have seen, they are actually divided into two parts to be specific. Okay. One is network prefix. Another one is a host number. Okay. You see just one IP, 192.168.1.1. Now, which part is the network, which part is the host, you might not able to identify. Okay. So if you see just like your name is also your identity, and IP address is also an identity to the systems there. Okay. So we have a name where you see, okay, my name is Varun Pathak. I have written it like this in an international format. Similarly, I have written down my IP address 128.40.143, 137, 14. Okay. So in this IP, half of the part is my surname, is my network name, and half of the part is my host name, which is my unique name, my first name. Correct? So now you try to check one thing. If I do have a brother, I do have a sister over there, what will get changed in that scenario? Only the first name? Like if I have a brother and his name is some XYZ, so this is first name and this is second name. So the network name is not going to be changed. The moment you see these two names, Pathak and Pathak, it means you can see that these people belongs to same family. Similarly, if you see two network addresses and their two IP address and the network address is going to be same, the first half part, okay, for a specific IP I'm saying right now, okay, that become same network. You can decide that these two IP addresses belongs to same network. You just need to match the network part into two IP addresses. Okay. Why do we require, why do we get to know about it, that they are a part of the same network or different network? Okay. There is a reason behind that. For example, there are two devices. One have different IP, one have another IP. Okay. You get to know their network part is same, their family name is same, which device you use to connect them. Correct? Routers, switches, which device. So if the same network is there, you need to use same network IP addresses. It's gonna be switch always we use. If it is gonna be different networks, then you are gonna use router always. So it is important to know that two devices, two IP addresses belongs to the same network or different network. Later on, when you will do the pen testing or the hacking part, I have given you an IP address. You do not know that IP address belongs to your network or not. Okay. So it is important for us to understand the IP address just by having a look to the IP address. Okay. So this is just for the example that the half of the part is showing you the network and half of the part is showing you the host. Correct? Just for the example. It depends on the classes to classes. Sometimes the first one shows the network. Sometimes the first three shows the network. It depends.